In this series, we walk you through the most reliable belt length measurement methods. From machines to simple manual techniques, we will cover 5 different methods of belt length measurement: grading machine, PIX length measuring devices, flexible measuring tape, string and ruler method, rolling method. Let's explore all the methods one by one. Belt length measurement using grading machine. With modern grading machines, measuring belt length has never been easier or more accurate. Here's how it works. The belt is placed on 2 pulleys that are the same size. The machine then applies a predefined load as per various standard references. The system rotates the belt 2 to 3 times, ensuring that it is completely seated within the pulley grooves with no slack. After the rotation, the machine calculates the exact length of the belt and displays it digitally. You'll get a clear result to let you know if the measurement meets the required specifications. Now let's take a quick look at the merits and demerits of the belt length grading machine. High accuracy with 0.1 mm least count, easy to read or digital readout, consistent measurement across multiple iterations, technical compliance with international standards, expensive equipment, large form factor needing significant space, intricate installation, regular maintenance, not portable. Methods of belt length measurement using PIX measuring devices. There are 2 types of devices available: PIX collapsible belt length measure, PIX V-groove pulley length measure. Let's learn about the first type. Lay the belt flat along the length of the measuring tool. Hold the tool firmly and gently slide the lower pulley. The belt can be tightened by screwing the ball screw on the rear part of the lower pulley. Look at the markings or indicators on the tool corresponding to the end of the belt. This indicates the inside length of the belt. Refer to the conversion table to find the standard length of the respective belt. Let's learn about the second type. Lay the belt on the upper pulley of the measuring tool. Hold the tool firmly and gently slide the lower pulley. This length measuring device can measure classical and narrow belts, which display the belt length in LI, inside length, and LA, outside length. These slots are provided on the lower half pulley to ensure proper seating of the respective belt section. Similarly, on the back side of the pulley, the length can be measured for wedge and automotive belt sections, which displays belt length in LP, pitch length. Now, let's take a quick look at the merits and demerits. Easy to install, easy to use, or quick measurement capability. Portable, low cost, low maintenance. Limited measurement accuracy with 5 mm least count. Measurements not consistent, not compliant with international standards. Belt length measurement using a flexible measuring tape. Place the belt flat on a surface without twists. Starting point of the flexible measuring tape on the outer edge of the belt. Carefully trace the circumference along the entire outer length until the starting point is reached again. The reading recorded at that point is the LA outside length of the belt. Let's take a quick look at the merits and demerits. Fairly accurate 1 mm least count, portable, easy to use, low cost, ideal for emergency field measurements, tedious, time-consuming, not suitable for long lengths, measurements not consistent, not compliant with international standards. Belt length measurement using a string and ruler method. Wrap a non-stretch string along the outer circumference of the belt, ensuring it sits evenly without slack on belt. Mark the point where the string completes the loop. Remove the string and place it against a ruler or flexible tape to measure the distance between the marks. The reading recorded at that point is the LA outside length of the belt. Now, let's take a quick look at the merits and demerits. Fairly accurate with 1 mm least count, ideal for measurement of installed belt or compact drive. Portable, suitable for long lengths, low cost, ideal for emergency field measurements. Tedious, time-consuming, measurements not consistent, not compliant with international standards. Belt length measurement using the rolling method. Place the belt on a flat surface and mark a reference point on the outer surface. Gently roll the belt in a straight line, ensuring it does not twist or lift from the surface. Measure the distance from the start mark to the final resting point of the same mark. Repeat once or twice for accuracy and average the values to reduce variation. The reading recorded at that point is the LA outside length of the belt. Now, let's take a quick look at the merits and demerits. Fairly accurate with 1 mm least count. Easy to use, low cost, ideal for emergency field measurements. Tedious, time consuming. Needs a flat surface for measurement. Not suitable for long lengths. Measurements not consistent. Not compliant with international standards. If you're looking for more technical insights and guides like this, don't forget to visit www.pixtrans.com and subscribe to our channel for more videos.